Hey everybody, Miss Tinty here. Today we are going to talk about what is a noun. I'd like you to say that word for me at home. Noun. Nouns are all around us every day. A noun is a kind of word, and it can be a person, like a boy or a girl or a teacher or a student or a mother, father, sister, a brother. A noun can also be a place like home or school or the store or church, mosque. It can also be a thing like a book or a cup or a phone or a shirt. A noun can also be an idea like love or fear or friendship or hate or happiness. I want you to think about nouns. So remember, it's a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So we're going to look at some words below, and we're going to think about which of these words is a noun and which one is not a noun. It must be something else. Okay? So let's take a look at number one. Number one, we have the word chair. I think we know chair is like something you sit on, like here's my chair. Sing, la 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 la. Something you do, right? Car, something that you drive. Shoe, something that goes on your feet. Store, like Target, Sun Foods, Walmart, and chew. Eat your food. So, which ones do we think are nouns? Well, I'm going to tell you. Chair is a thing. It's a noun. Sing is something that you do. La 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 la. It's not a noun. It's something else. Car. A car is a thing. It's a noun, yes. Shoe, something you put on your feet, is a noun. Yes, this is a noun. It's a thing. A store is a place you can go. Yes, it is a noun. And chew, that's something that you do. That is not a noun. It's something else. Let's take a look at number two together. Our words are right, television, you watch TV, right? Classroom, that's where we usually go for school, but now we're at our houses. Run, like at the soccer field. Happiness, and pencil. Okay, let's see. Write, let's start with that one. Write, I am writing, something that I do. Is it a thing? No. Is write a place? Nope. Is it a person? Nope. Is it an idea? Nope. Write is something that you do, so it's something else. It's not a noun. Television. Television is something you watch. It's a thing. It's a noun. Classroom, it's a place, right? It's inside of our school. It's a place, so it is a noun. Run. Run is something that you do. It is not a noun. It's something else. Happiness. Happiness is an idea, like love or fear. Happiness is an idea. So yes, happiness is a noun. And a pencil. A pencil. It's a thing. like a book or cup. So some of these words in these examples are nouns and some of them are something else. You are going to decide number 3, 4, and 5, which are nouns. If it's a noun, you're going to circle it. So if it is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea, you will circle it. If it is not, if it is something else, you can cross it off. So I'm going to read the words for you, and then you will decide, okay? So number 3, crayon is what you color with. Eat, dog, woof woof, ball, like soccer ball or baseball, cafeteria, where you eat your lunch, and sandwich, like turkey sandwich. Which are nouns? You will circle them. Number 4, learn, which is something that you're doing right now. Teacher, office, like where our principal is. Student, that's a person like you. Nurse, person who takes care of you at school or at the hospital. Tuck, that's what I'm doing right now. Which of these are nouns? Which of these are person, place, thing, or idea? You will circle. And finally, number 5, lunch, something that you eat. Friend, like how you are to each other, friends. Table, backpack for school. Sit, which I'm doing right now, sit. Or video, like what you're watching right now is a video. So your job right now is to look at numbers 3, 4, and 5, excuse me, and circle the nouns that you see. Okay, good luck.